Tatay. Andiyan na. So para sa akin guys, ganito ang itsura ng isang magandang araw. At oo nga pala, welcome back sa 365.
I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous is the famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul on my true collectible. Famous is the famous, number one desirable. I do what I want when I want and how I want it.
Oh, hagip ka na ulit ha. Pakita ka, ano yung Facebook mo? Mayit. Ha? Isasama ko nga to, sama yan sa ate ano. Sino gusto mo i-shoutout? Si Joel Aliling. ano ang post mo? Yung hindi naman kailangan ng sing-sing basta may tunay na pagmamahal. At Joel Aliling. Uy!
Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got change to throw, I don't care about no gold. Better, so much better, flipping incredible. Always on the street so they know that I still got it. And I never feel sorry, yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world.
Pili ka dalawa.
Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. Top of the world. Yeah, top of the world. When I hit and pull out my fuse and then ba-bum. Later, see you later, I'm about to blow this up. You can sing my song if you want, I know you want it. It's always kinda funny, yeah, cause you know I'm a superstar on the sky to lead you on. Haters gonna hate, it's a proof of how they love. They can bring me down, nah, nah, nah. They are jealous of me and my umbrella, yeah, they love me so. This is me, I'm so royal. And you all wanna be
Joel Aliling nag-PM na.
yeah, you all wanna be brown. Brown a champion, a champion.
So, bumili kami ng butter. Kasi hindi namin sinasadya magamit yung butter ni Amber G. So, papalitan ko yung butter niya. Tsaka bumili ako ng Right and Light. Ito ang pinaka-safe na iniinom ko. Ito yung pinaka-paborito ko, peach. Super sarap nito, promise. Nag-stock lang ako syempre. Always stock my... Dito ako nagbibili ng mga stock sa Robinson, Bacoor. So, shoutout sa inyo. Hindi naman kami mahilig sa chicheria, kaya mostly puro ano lang kami. Gulay giniling itlog. Ba? Magana?
Ano yan, babe? Wala kang battery yan. Huwag mo nilagay.
Battery?
Butter.
Actually, hindi naman kailangan ng butter, pero sige.
Hindi siya sticky.
Kaya uwi naman yung sila ng 10 piso.
20 piso. 20!
Hindi naman ganyan yung ano quality.
Oo nga, binibiro ko lang kita.
20 ba?
20 nga.
Ulit-ulit.
Kung gusto mo, 27 piso. One of the few things that I actually think is perfect, to make this day the perfect day for me is to actually daanan yung edit na ginagawa ko para sa video na ginawa ko kay Malupiton at saka kay Ato. Yung sa merch nilang dalawa, yung sombrero na bago, yung boss. So dadaanan ko lang tong edit and then I'm gonna go for a quick workout. Actually, I've spent time with my family a while ago. Kanina lang, then umuwi na sila, onting hangout and stuff. But ngayon, editing time, balik sa trabaho. Kahit Sunday, we gotta work. Because meron tayong shoot bukas. At, I'm really happy to tell you guys na marami tayong ganap this week. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome dahil there's gonna be something big this week sa vlog na hindi ko na-expect na I will be part of. So, yeah, I'll see you. Workout. Ano mo tayo? Edit muna. Actually ngayon nagre-remix pa ako ng kanta. So nandun pa ako sa stage na yun. Kung mapanood man to ni Ato. So sorry man, nagre-remix pa ako ng kanta. Sinusubukan ko talagang gandahan. Gusto ko kasi maging malupit at ayoko kayo ma-disappoint. Pero hindi ko naman kayo di-disappoint. Pero alam mo yun. Gusto ko lang talagang maging mas yung alam mo yun, yung talagang yung energy ng B-roll sequence.
Girl, alam ko naman na sexy ka, maganda ka at kikay ka. Pag ikaw ay aking binira, girl, lupay-pay ka.
Pwede na. Pero yung una kong remix ng song, ito yung ginawa kong remix na song, guys. Pakinggan nyo. Guys, ito, pakinggan nyo, na-remix ko yung kanta bago ko ilatag yung buong sequence. So, ito yan. Pakinggan nyo. Nangyari. Okay, let's stop fooling around and let's continue our job, eh?
Bibihira to, hindi to madalas. Ano pang gagawin eh, may bagong labas.
Okay, so guys, tapos na ako sa first latag ng B-roll sequence na to. Eh, ito siya. Mananahimik ako saglit. Pero sound design na lang papakita ko. 3, 2, 1, go! So, super simple pa lang ilatag ko. Pero usually kasi kapag gumagawa ko ng ganito, hindi lang isa yung ginagawa kong video. I try to make as many as I can. Sana maipasa ko to kay Ato today. Big shoutout sa'yo sa pagtiwala sa akin. Sa palaging pagtiwala ng mga gantong klaseng project. Mga life-changing, mentally struggling, growing type of project na talagang malupit para sa akin. Ito yung mga trip ko talagang gawin paminsan-minsan. Honestly, if I were to share something with you guys today, one thing I want to be known for is ayokong makilala basta-basta sa mainstream. Gusto kong makilala ako ng mga celebrity. O, bago sa mainstream. I mean, for me, that's a much better thing to have. Given na mas mapapataba ko yung portfolio ko. Bukod sa mapapataba ang bulsa, mas mapapataba mo yung portfolio mo. Ngayon, mas target kong pagandahin palalo ang portfolio ko this year. Last year, we had a ton of good projects. Really good ones. Na hindi ko na-expect. And I kept saying last year na, ano ba yan? Wala pa akong nagagawang matino. And then, projects came. I tried to execute them. Especially in December, the big projects rolled in. November din naman, in the couple of months. But this year, I'm trying to make sure that I'm really pinpointing what I want to do. Besides having the goal na maging sustainable tong career na to. Kasi po, sa mga hindi nakakaalam din, yung career na to is super duper frustrating. Sobrang daming downs, especially kung hindi ka marunong bumangon sa sarili mong frustrations. Super daming downs. But pero tong career kasi na to, kapag nagsikap ka talaga, at kapag nag-push ka talaga, at kapag kumilos ka talaga from your own pace, at your own, pag talagang kinilusan mo, super duper worth it talaga ng benefits. As in, hindi ko ina-expect na I would be honestly unemployed for a couple of years but kasi naman I own my own business name, DTI, BIR. I've said this a lot of times. And masasabi ko naman super worth it siya. Because if I wanted to have a family, I could basically have one. But syempre, ipon-ipon pa rin, pangarap pa rin. Syempre, goal pa rin natin is matapos tong 365 days na vlog na to. At doon natin malalaman kung gaano ba ka-worth it ang isang bagay pag tinry mo siyang gawin araw-araw for the rest of the whole year. Martians, after ng medyo madugong workout, I'm really happy to say that today might be the perfect day na sinasabi ko sa inyo, and this is how I spend it. This is how I actually do it. Wake up, go to church, spend time with the family, and end this day with a proper dinner. So yan guys, sobrang daming tao. Na-cautious ako pero ita-timelapse ko pa rin to.
Isang straw lang binigay. Ay, para sa ano?
Sabihin nyo, uy, si vlogger. Matic time slap. Medyo nagka-confidence na ako. So wala na yung isang malaking grupo ng tao na nanonood. Halo na. So, yun guys, after namin kumain, minutid ko na si Bossing. Tapos, kasi may ganap siya bukas and everything sa work niya. Ako ay may shoot din tomorrow. So, super duper excited akong mag-vlog na naman bukas. Kasi for sure, epic na naman yung vlog natin bukas. But yun nga, that's basically how I spend a perfect day. Today is basically one of those days na super duper thankful ako kay Lord na lahat ng taong nakasama ko ngayong araw ay nag-e-exist. I would like to thank the Almighty Father for basically, you know, putting these people in my life. And, ayun, medyo challenging, syempre, yung mga edits and stuff, pero we can get through it, we can pull this through. Medyo nakahanap ko na yung balance between editing, daily vlogging, pero syempre napapansin ko talaga kailangan medyo mas long form pa yung mga content na ilalabas natin. Do not worry because for tomorrow will be one of the longest vlogs I will be making in this career. No, I mean in this channel basically, but una sa lahat, I would like to thank you guys dahil nasa 50 plus viewers na tayo, and isa sa mga naging motivation ko is yung sinabi sa akin ni Ato before na, alam mo yun, kung ilan man yung nanood ng vlog ko, like let's say 50 people watched the vlog today or yesterday, or 100 people watched the vlog today. Hindi mo mapagkakasya ang 100 tao dito sa kwarto na to. Kaya super thankful ko lang naman dahil may nanonood talaga ng daily natin. Kahit hindi nyo tapusin, kahit 4 minutes, 5 minutes lang, super duper thankful na ako sa mga nag-PPM constantly na, alam mo yun, viewers sila, nanonood sila, tinatapos nila. Big shoutout sa inyo, sending love, sending blessings, and sending abundance to all of you guys. Peace out, good night, and see you tomorrow. Wow, may outro.